Welcome to the in front of me Realme Narzo 50, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open the Gmail application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner, and we can see that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts, we should log out from Google account on our device. So just to do that, click to manage accounts on this device and then tap here to Google section. After that, we'll see here these two accounts, and to log out from the second one, for example, click on these accounts, and after that tap on the right upper corner on these two dots and click to remove accounts again. Now just wait a second, and now we can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one account, and after that one will go back to the Gmail app. We can see that we stay in Gmail application also with one Google account, Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.